The most repeated and asked question in human history is what is truth? God has granted us with five senses and organs. We can see by eyes, we can hear by ears, we can smell by nose, we can taste by taste buds of tongue, we can touch by sensors of skin. These are only tools to communicate, to get information from external worlds. And what comes in the direct experience of these senses is called truth. If some phenomenon needs to be seen, it is called truth only when it is seen by eyes. If some phenomena needs to be heard, it will be truth only if it is heard by ears. If some phenomena needs to be smelt, it will be truth if it is smelt by nose. If some phenomenon needs to be tasted, it will be truth if it is tasted by taste buds of tongue. If some phenomenon needs to be touched, it will be truth if it is touched by sensors of skin. So we should keep in mind that truth is direct experience by the assistance, by the help of five organs of senses. The other information got by other sources or persons may be true or may not be true. There is no authenticity. So we should directly experience, we should directly observe with senses God has bestowed us, and after that we should analyze these information. But unfortunately, the main problem, the main hindrance in the way to search truth is that people are already installed by society. People are communicated with those information which are not judged by the individual himself or herself. They are often communicated with hearsay information. So we should not rely on information provided by others. Once a person came to Holy Buddha and he asked 100 questions. The Holy Buddha didn't reply. He smiled and he asked from that person, how many questions are with you which have emerged from your inner self, and how many questions are there which are communicated to you by society? The person bowed his head and he said, sorry master, these are all communicated questions. These have not emerged. These have not came out from my inner self. So the Holy Buddha asked him, please stay with me. And when some question is asked by your inner self, it is your own genuine question. It is your own creation. Then you can ask me. He became pupil of Buddha and stayed for 1 year. After 1 year, the Buddha asked him, you have never asked any question. He said, dear master, when question comes from inner self, when question emerges from inner self, it is replied, it is responded by inner self. So I don't need to ask from yourself. So the basic problem with human is that they have become conformist. They take ready-made truths. So, according to the great philosopher Socrates, I know that I don't know. So we should start our journey from zero milestone, from 0 point. First of all, we should uninstall those information which are taught to us by others. Only those information would be called truth which have directly came by direct exposure or direct experience of ourselves. So in this way we can reach, we can have directly access to truth. Thanks very much.